Children, today's topic multiplication facts and multiplication of 4-digit number by an 1-digit number without and with carrying. First we start with multiplication facts. First multiplication fact: the product of a number and 0 is always 0. That means when we multiply any number with 0 we get 0. Examples are 23 into 0 is equal to 0. And second one, 3462 into 0 is equal to 0. And C1, 0 into 475, that is equal to 0. That means first if you write number and then multiply by 0, it will be 0. Or first you write 0 and multiply with any number, you will get 0. Second one, the product of a number and 1 is always the number itself. That means when you multiply any number with 1, you will get the number itself. Means the number with which you are multiplying 1, you will get the same number. For example, 69 into 1, it is 69 only. And 1936 into 1 is 1936 only. Or when you multiply 1 with any number, means 1 into 855 is 855 only. Means the number with which you are multiplying number 1 is, you will get the same number. Third one, the product of two numbers in any order will always be the same. Examples, let us see with the help of. Means when you multiply two numbers in any order, then the answer you get will always be the same. Example A. First example, let us see with single digit number. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. Means 5 8s are 40. Or if you multiply 8 with 5, means 8 into 5, that is also equal to 40. So we can write it as 5 into 8 is equal to 8 into 5. Let us see the second example. In this example, we are taking one 4-digit number. Means 4000 into 2 is equal to 8000. Or if you multiply 2 into 4000, that is also equal to 8000. So we can write it as 4000 into 2 is equal to 2 into 4000. Understood, children? Means if you change the order, or you see, if you take any two numbers, first you multiply both of them, you will get one answer. When you change the order, means second number you write first and first number you write second. After that also you multiply, you will get the same number. The product of three numbers remains the same even when the grouping of the numbers is changed. Here we are taking the multiplication of three different numbers. So if we change the order of the multiplication, then the answer is always the same. Let us see the example. Here I have taken only single digit number, but it is true for 2-digit number also, 3-digit number also, and 4-digit number also. So for example, 4 into 9 into 5 means 4 into 9 into 5. First what I have done, I multiply 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36 and then multiply with 5. Means 36 into 5, it is 180. Now in next one what I have done, 4 into 9 into 5 means first I have multiplied 9 5s are means 45. Then this 45 I have multiplied with 4 means 4 into 45. That is also 180. So we can write it as 4 into 9 into 5, that is equal to 4 into 9 into 5. Means if you change the order of the multiplication of the given numbers, then the answer is always the same. These are the 4 multiplication facts which you have to remember. Now children, open your textbook, page number 74. Now we will learn how to multiply a 4-digit number with a 1-digit number without borrowing. So see here children, first problem is multiply 3213 with 3 into 3. So here you will write down 3213 into, you will write down and then 3 below 3, means both the 3's you will write in ones place. 1 will comes in tens place, 2 will comes in hundreds place, and again 3 will comes in thousands place. So we will start multiplication from the ones place. So first we will multiply ones place. 3 3s are 9, and the answer we will write it in the ones place only. Now second, what we have to do, we have to multiply the number which is in tens place. So 3 ones are 3, and answer we will write below the tens place only. Now we will multiply the number which is in hundreds place. So that is 2. So 3 2s are 6. So 6 we will write it in hundreds place. Now we will multiply the number which is in thousands place. So 3 3s are 9. So 9 we will write it in thousands place. Understood, children? Now let us do the second problem. Second problem is 1022 into 3. So 1022 means in hundreds place it is 0. So 1022 into 3. So here also first we will multiply 3 2s are 6. Answer we will write it in ones place. Again the number in tens place is 2. So 3 2s are 6. 6 we will write it in tens place. Now we will go to hundreds place. Hundreds place 0 is there. So 3 zeros are 0. So in hundred place 0 will come. Now we will multiply with the number in thousands place. So thousands place 1 is there. So 3 ones are 3. So the answer is 3066. Now see here. Till now we have written arrow, but now onwards I am not going to draw the arrow. Only I will tell you how to multiply. So here the number is 2341 into 2. So 1 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, and 2 is in thousands place. So 2 ones are 2. We will start from ones place. So 2 ones are 2. Next in tens place. Tens place what is there? 4 is there. So 2 4s are 8. Answer we will write it in tens place. Then in hundreds place. What in hundred place? 3. So 2 3s are 6. Again now next we will go to thousands place. Thousands place 2 is there. So 2 2s are 4. Now come to D problem. 1233. So in ones place 3 is there. In tens place 3 is there. In hundreds place 2 is there. In thousands place 1 is there. So we have to multiply it by 2. So start from ones place. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Now in tens place 3 is there. So 2 3s are 6. In hundreds place 2. 2 2s are 4. In thousands place 1. So 2 1s are 2. Now see here, children. This E and this F you will do it as homework. Now let us learn how to multiply 4-digit number with a 1-digit number with carrying, means when the carrying number comes. So here the number is 1079 into 2. So we will start from ones place. So 2 9s are 18. So here 8 we will write. As it is 18 means 1 8. 18 ones place and 1 we will carry over to the next place, that is tens place. So 1. Now 2 7s are. 2 7s are 14. 14 carrying number 1 is there. So we will add 1 to 14. 14 plus 1 15. So here we will write 5 and again 1 we will carry over to next place, that is hundreds place. Now 2 we will multiply the number with the hundreds place. Hundreds place 0 is there. So 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 1. So 1 will come in hundreds place. Now we will multiply the number which is in thousands place, means 2 1s are 2. Understood, children? Now let us come to the next problem. 1716. 1716 into 3. So we will start from ones place. 6 threes are 18. So 8 we will write it in ones place. 1 we will carry to the next place. Next place is tens place. So here we will write down 1. Now we will multiply the number in tens place. Tens place what is there? 1 is there. So 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Now we will multiply the number which is in hundreds place. Hundreds place what is there? 7 is there. So 3 sevens are 21. So 1 will comes in hundreds place. 2 will carry over to the thousands place. Now we will multiply the number in the thousand place. Thousand place 1 is there. 2 is the carrying number, but the number which is already there is 1. So we will multiply with 1. So 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Now let us go to the next problem. 1268. So 8 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place, and 1 is in thousands place. So we have to multiply it by 4. So first start from ones place. 4 8s are 32. So 2 will comes in ones place, 3 will come to the tens place. So 3 carry. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3. 25, 26, 27. So 7 will comes in tens place. 2 will go to the next place, that is hundreds place. 2. Now multiply the number which is already there in hundreds place. Hundreds place 2 is there. So 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. So 0. 1 will come to the thousands place as carry number. Now again multiply 1 with 1 which is there in thousands place. So 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5. Now come to the next problem. 1547. Here 7 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 5 is in hundred place, and 1 is in thousands place. So 6 7 multiply by 6. We will start from ones place. 6 sevens are 42. So 2 will comes in ones place, 4 will be the carry number. 6 4s are next multiply with the number in tens place. Tens place what is there? 4 is there. So 6 4s are 24 plus 4. 25, 26, 27, 28. So here 8 we will write and carry number will be 2 which we have to write it in hundreds place, next place. Tens next is 100. Now here 5 is there in hundreds place. So 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. So 2 we will write here and 3 will be the carry number which will go to the thousands place. Now in thousands place what number is there? 1 is there. So 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So now E and F you will do it as homework. Okay children?